Hello and how are you? I miss you guys so much. This week I had many things and I didn't record anything, but in this video we will do some cool things. So, do you know how to get a file last modification and the date it was created in Python? If you don't know how, follow this simple method. So, like you can see, I have a simple thing here. We'll create a new file called main.py. So, main.py, which is which is this. So, I want to print import import and the library OS, which you don't have to install, by the way. It is a built-in. Then we will make date created variable. So I will just call it date underscore created. I don't know of creativity. Then it will be just and the OS. We just don't want it to be just OS. We want OS dot path slash time. To do that, we will need this. I don't know, but we need them. Okay, then just over here, we will call the time library, then dot and something called key time. Sorry, key time. Sorry, not key time. Yeah, time.ctime. Then we will open this. Then os dot path. Then inside the path, we want get key time. Then we will open this and we will insert the file directly that we want to see. So I will just select this file, which is c/coding. Let the file. Then I want to print this thing. So print date equal to be sorry date created, and it also have this date created variable. Then when we open our SMD by going over here and liking SMD and running it as an administrator and opening, we can just go to the desktop. So cd/desktop. Sorry, cd desktop. So cd then my desktop. So users my username, then just sorry cd slash users slash malware slash desktop details, and let's go inside my new folder and just learning the main. Okay, so main.py. So like you can see it's this, which is sorry main.py again, main.py. So we it says date clear. I have to save it. I don't know why I have to save it. Okay, so main.py deleted. It says date created, which is this. And if we go to the cd to the directory, which is coding, and if we select color, so then go here, and let's say info properties. Properties, you can see that it is correct. It is. This is the same as what I hear, just the no PM since we don't need it. And this is how you get the file created. Okay, so this is date create. Okay, then the other one is date modified. Which will be the for date modified, and this will be equal to time.cTime, the same thing. And just over here, we will just add os dot path dot get, then mtime, not ctime, mtime, then the path, which is the coding till. Then I want to print it. So print date modified, date modified till, have to add this inside the string, details plus and when I save it and go to my terminal and open it, so cd slash my desktop, so users slash Marlowa slash desktop slash sorry, cdc slash users slash Marlowa slash desktop to learn at desktop. And let's go to the new folder and let them make the pie. We'll say here that date created, which is this, which is correct, and I just make it today. And this is how you can get the date created and the last modification for a directly. All of us. I hope I helped you. And if you have any other question, just comment below. See you soon.